All right, now I want to show you a video on how to mobilize your elbow joint and also how to do a nerve glide for the common nerve that causes tennis elbow or outer elbow pain there too. So we're going to start with mobilizing this elbow joint. So you got the ulnar bone and the radius bone coming up, and they attach up to the humeral bone here. So we're going to do what's called a top elbow circle here. So what I want you to do is stick your arm out like this, and you're going to have your palm down and make kind of a loose fist like this, and then you're going to rotate that elbow towards your face, body, out, and then finish with the palm down. But before you do that, I want you to take and kind of grab your bicep and torque it towards you, or rotate it towards you. And what that should do is kind of lock out that ulnar bone so we can get the rotation in there. So again, palm down, make a loose fist towards your face, out and around, and then lock the elbow, palm down again. Do this 3 to 5 times. You might feel a little clicking or movement in that elbow as it loosens up. So that's the top elbow. And then we want to reverse it. So palm down here, and we're going to go out this time and around. Out, still pulling that bicep towards you. Just like that. So remember each time to lock the elbow when you finish there before you start over. Now we want to do the bottom elbow part and get the other bone in there. So we're going to stick our arm out to the side here, and we're going to have our palm up, and then we're going to rotate that towards our rib cage, brush our rib cage, come around. You might have to bring your shoulder out forward a little bit, lock the elbow, and then rotate the palm up again. So come across and there. Remembering to lock that elbow when you get right there, and do that 3 to 5 times. And afterwards you should feel a nice warm feeling in that elbow joint there, maybe even taking some of the pain away right away, but it should be moving better. That's definitely a hinge joint there, but there is rotation to it, so we're getting all those bones moving. Now I want to work on the nerve glide to that. So there's a radial nerve that comes down from the neck and goes down the back of the arm there too, and if it's impinged at all or being irritated, I'll find weakness with the tricep or wrist extension. So a lot of the extension muscles are going to go weak when this one is not happy. So what we're going to do is we're going to tuck our thumb in, we're going to flex our wrist just a little bit there, and then we're going to lock our elbow and bring it down like that, and then we're going to bring it just a little bit behind your hip, and then internally rotate the shoulder. So now my arm's slightly behind my back or my hip there, and then we're going to bring our shoulder blade and we're going to bring it back and down. And what we're looking for is a nice little sensation down the back of the arm. You may feel it anywhere between here and there. Just one thing here is we never want to overstretch this nerve, so just make sure it's only about a 3 out of 10 sensation-wise. We don't want pain with this one. You don't want to overstretch a nerve. It's not like a muscle. So we're going to hold it there, and then if you want to activate a little bit more, we're going to tilt the head, and there I start to feel it. And if you don't feel it there, then you can bring your shoulder back just a little bit more, and you should be able to start to feel it there. And you can try this and then relax it and then go back into that. And you just want to turn that nerve sensation on and off. So hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds. You can lift up the shoulder to turn it off and then drop it back down. Once you get a good feeling there, then I want you to do 3 to 5 circles, counterclockwise, and relax it. You can do 3 to 5 circles clockwise and relax it. Another way to stimulate it is get into that position and just raise the shoulder down, or raise it up, then down, then up, then down. Do that 3 to 5 times. Pumping. So if you do this about 3 to 5 times a day, again doing the top elbow circle, the bottom elbow circle, and the radial glide, you'll start to get a lot of relief in those elbow pain that maybe you're suffering with. Any questions, let me know.